How to clean computer. I'm trying to dry my computer. God. Okay guys, we have the PC builds here, all the way from $100, $800 to $1,600. These two are mine. This is my super budget. Got most of it for free build. Then this was my budget-ish Christmas build last year.
This is my beautiful build that I just built a few months ago. So yeah, I've had the 980 Ti for about 6 months. So, and I got it right before the 10 series cards were announced, so rip.
This build has an Intel Core Duo with a GTX 750. Not the 750 Ti, the 750. It actually came out of a Livono computer when my brother upgraded to a 970. And then this computer has a GTX 960 by MSI, 4 GB, a 4690K at 4.2 GHz, air-cooled on a Hyper 212 Evo with 8 GB of RAM. I forgot to mention, this has 4 GB of RAM. That has 8 gigs of RAM, 600 watt power supply, 1 TB Western Digital drive, and a 250 GB Samsung 750 Evo.
So my PC here, I have an i7 6700K for the CPU with a Corsair H100i cooling it. I have an MSI 980 Ti. I got some Thermalate cable extensions that are black and red, individually sleeved cables. I have some G.Skill memory, 16 gigabytes. I think it's 3200 megahertz. And it's all in the NZXT H440, black and red edition. Oh, and a Samsung 750 Evo, 250 gigabyte. And a 1 terabyte black Western Digital drive.
Wanna be all saints, trying hard to be someone else. All we want is please, giving no time to breathe. This is our identity. We turn our backs, we can't help, we're gone.